Hi guys, Vanessa here. So today's video is going to be me creating this eyeshadow look that I'm wearing right here. It's a very dramatic winged eye look that's been basically floating on Instagram. So if you guys would like to see how I created this look, then just keep on watching. So first things first, we're going to be applying some concealer to the eyelids to create a base for our eyeshadows, blending that out with my beauty blender and then setting it with translucent powder. This is the eyeshadow palette by ColourPop x I Love Sarai. It's called Through My Eyes. So here I'm basically going to go in with some dark shadow. I'm going a little bit above the crease, as you can see, and just following along the natural eye shape. So now I'm basically kind of creating that cat eye shape. And here I actually applied some tape just to kind of give me a little bit more of a guide to outline the edge of the eye. So I'm going in back with that same shade I used before. It's in the shade called Divina. So now I'm just going back and forth and following the shape that I've created, and I'm just deepening things up more a bit. And now I'm going in with the shade Nostalgia from the eyeshadow palette, and I'm just basically buffing in that crease shade that we created, and I'm going over it and just blowing it out. So I'm going back in now with the shade Divina, and I'm just going over that crease just to make sure that I haven't lost that shape. So it is a lot of back and forth. I am going back in with Nostalgia and just making sure that everything's well blended. So here I'm going in with my Rare Beauty concealer and just cutting the crease. I'm not going up too high, I'm just basically following that crease shade that we have created with shadow. So here I'm now going in with the shade Emerald Green, and I'm just packing that on the outer corner along the edges of the eye. So here I'm going in with the shade Lucido, and I'm packing that on the entire eyelid. So now taking a brush, I'm just going in with the same shade Lucido, and I'm just making sure that everything's well blended and looking seamless. Here I am taking another brush, and I'm going in with the shade Moody, and I'm just following along the tape on the outer edges and just deepening things up a bit. So going in between the two shades Emerald Dream and Moody, I'm just making sure the two are well blended. So I went ahead and did the other eye off camera. Here I have removed the tape, and now I'm just cleaning out those edges. For bronzer, I'm using my e.l.f. Cosmetics bronzer in the shade Forever Sunkissed. I've been loving this bronzer just because it's such a nice cool tone. For highlight, I'm going in with the Ofra Cosmetics highlight in the shade Rodeo Drive, and applying that to my tops of my cheekbones, on my nose, and also on my chin and a little bit above the eyebrows. Now going in with the shade Shy Pink by Burt's Bees. This is my blush. I like to typically go in with my blush after my highlight just because I feel like I can prevent a little bit of that streakiness that may happen with my highlight being applied on top. So I like to apply it after my highlight. Okay, so to finish off the eyes, I'm going in with a flat liner brush, and I'm going in with the shade Divina and just following my bottom lash line across the bottom of my lashes. I will be going in next with a smudger brush, so you see me here switch brushes in just a sec, but I basically take the shade Nostalgia and I just blend the two shades together to make that smoky bottom lash line. And of course, you didn't think I could forget my inner corner highlight, so I'm taking back that shade Rodeo Drive, the highlight that I use on the rest of the face, and just highlighting the inner corners of my eye. To set that foundation and that base, we're going to be setting it with the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray, fan it out with a highlight compact if you don't have a fan like me, and apply some mascara to finish off the eyes. I can't remember on the top of my head what the name of this lip pencil is, but I will have it in my description box as always. That's a NYX slide-on lip pencil. And here to finish off the lip, I went in with the ColourPop lip gloss in the shade Moonchild. Okay guys, that is it for me today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me create this very dramatic winged out eyeshadow look. On the lips, I just finished up the look with Moonchild lip gloss that I was speaking of on my last video by ColourPop. But yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel guys, and until next time, I love you guys. Bye!